Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we continue creating our custom hook, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel, and in the last video we created use input, and today we're going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a use interval hook. This hook helps us run functions at specified interval, which is useful for timers, data fetching and more. Okay, let's get started. First we create new file, its name useInterval, and add extension, and now we need to import two hooks. In this time we need to import these hooks. We need use effect, and also we need use ref. Okay, and let's create our hook. Create new const, use interval, and create our function. We also need two arguments, our callback function and time. We can name this argument daily. And let's create saved callback. We'll be using our useRef hook. Create new const and name saved callback, and use our useRef, and also correct this mistake. Okay, and next we need to use our use effect and save our callback inside our useRef. Using our use effect, and let's add space between these two hooks. I think it's attractive more. I think it looks more attractive. Okay, create, and also add array with dependencies. In this time we need to add only one dependencies. It will be our callback. Okay, and all time when our callback will be changed, we need to save in current. Okay, and next we need to set up interval. Create new use effect, and for this use effect we have another dependence. We need to add our time. Okay, and create a function tick. Create new constant, or we can using word function. Name this function tick, and all time when our tick will be called, we need to call our callback using our set callback and using our current and call our function. Like you remember, we save our function inside our callback. Okay, and next we need to add condition. If daily doesn't null, we need to create set interval, and next we need to clear interval. Create new variable let. We'll be using let, and we can name this variable id, and also using our set interval. Okay, and add two arguments, our tick, this is our function, and also our daily. And also to add some optimization we need to clear our interval. Let's create a return and create new func and using clear interval. Okay, and add our set interval we can add ID. Okay, now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Let's open our app component and let's use our hook. Call our hook, use interval, and create function, and also add delay. We can add console log some numbers like 5. Okay, and also don't forget to import our hook, create using import and use, but we forgot to export our hook. Add export, and now let's import our hook. Okay, here's our hook, and let's look at the window. Like you see, our hook works, and all time when daily is ready, our hook will print our number. Okay, let's try to work with our state. Create const and create new count. It will be state, and we can add set count. And using our useState hook and add 0. Okay, let's call our set count, and all time will be at our count 1. Okay, let's look at the window, and also let's print our count. We can use h4 tag and writing something like count and using our count. Okay, like you see, it's work. Okay, today we created a custom hook use interval to run function at specified intervals. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.